are doing well. In today's video, I'll be installing the DIY coily crochet hair that I made. So first thing I did, I applied the Garnier leave-in conditioner together with olive oil to moisturize my already washed hair. So right now I'm just going to part my hair into the style that I'm going for.
Now tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby.
So guys, I'm going to be sectioning my hair and applying the gel bit by bit. That way my hair can lay flat because my hair is still short. But if you have a longer hair, you don't have to go through this process.
She give me in a ya. Man a wine say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind say she give me dirty wine. Say girl say my wine in them me grinding at the think so. Any man them me looking at the think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a bossing at the think so. Girl for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time, baby. I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Original Batman. Lego. Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say the girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I cheer them. Low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I cheer them. Certain them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. There go. You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the face, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing.
So after applying the gel, I went ahead and wrapped my hair. That way everything will sit in place. So I waited about an hour for it to dry down a little bit, and then I started applying my crochet hair. And like I said before, this crochet hair is a DIY, so that video is already on my channel. If you're interested, the link will be in my description box below, and I'm also going to leave it on the screen. That way you have easy access to the video. Instead of crocheting the hair directly on my head, I decided to do this method. That way I can take it off and reuse the hair whenever I want to. So I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video, and if at the end of this video you find it helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Come on, wanna praise the one. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me blow. Tell me what you want and know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. VQ, bad man, point instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you there. Pull up. Bad man, finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man, finna take you there. Pull up. Mr. Original bad man, you don't know.
It's VQ.
Standard.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, girls them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby.
It's VQ.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man them me looking at they think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing. So girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel me wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar.